But episode 6 looks ready to push reality to its limits. Fans are speculating that Rick may could be forced to navigate a nightmare world where nothing makes sense. The episode's mysterious title has sparked theories about alternate realities, distorted memories, and psychological horror. Meanwhile, the season continues to build momentum toward its final episodes. Episode 6 marks the halfway point of the 10-episode season, with major stories still waiting to unfold. The cast has already described Season 9 as one of the strongest and most creative seasons in recent years, blending classic Rick and Morty comedy with deeper character moments and ambitious sci-fi concepts. Whether Episode 6 turns out to be a horror-inspired adventure, a multiverse mystery, or something completely unexpected, one thing is certain. When Rick and Morty embrace the bizarre, anything can happen. Are you excited for Eric or Head? What are your predictions for Episode 6? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Rick and Morty updates.